मोटू छोटी।
मोटू और पतली है।
या
मेरे को लगा कुछ गाली दे रहा है मेरा बेटा। अभी टाइम हो रहा है 5:30। तो बताता हूँ घर में क्या सीन है। Sarah, good morning.
Good morning.
So I have decided to start vlogging from today.
Okay.
How's the idea?
Good. From Gandhi Jayanti.
From Gandhi Jayanti. And Isa is also up. Isa, why are you up so early?
because mommy woke me up.
Sarah, you woke him up? Okay. So Sarah is going to finish her prayers and then we might go out.
And buy some idlis.
You want big idli, small idli? इतना बड़ा इडली तेरे बाप ने नहीं देखा है तो कहाँ मिलेगा? हाँ? What? Nice, mashallah. Do you really believe that you've got such a big boy?
Telling me or asking you?
I'm asking you.
No. You don't pretend.
Actually, I feel so blessed कि बच्चे बड़े हो गए। कभी सोचा नहीं था कि अपने भी बच्चे होंगे और बड़े भी हो गए। It's not bad. These are raindrops.
Yeah.
You want to dance in the rain? क्या हुआ?
They dropped the plank.
And?
They are going in and out now. We have to put it behind the pot.
Go Corona, go. Go Corona, go.
You said go, I just go.
I'm doing ice cream.
No, okay.
You want to eat ice cream now? It's 5:50 in the morning and you want to eat ice cream. What is wrong with you?
No, I'm just joking.
But actually, why not? Why can't you eat ice cream at 5:50 in the morning? खाने का मन है तो खाओ.
It's not morning.
Huh?
Night.
No, it's morning.
See?
Okay. Tell me.
See?
What?
It's night.
It's morning, baby.
Lights on?
It's almost morning, right?
Yeah.
So it's not night, correct?
Yeah. The clouds are like some brown.
Brown?
Yeah.
Blue or brown?
You look black and you can see the sky.
Congratulations.
I'm so hungry.
How much hungry?
69.
Huh?
69.
69 hungry. What? We are actually sneaking out. घर से धीरे धीरे निकल रहे हैं क्योंकि 2 और बच्चे वो रूम में सो रहे हैं। अगर वो उठ जाएंगे तो फिर हम नहीं जा पाएंगे। Sarah is asking him to go out to get her shoes, but it's locked from up ऊपर से। किधर है? हाँ, locked है वहाँ पर। Yeah. Go jump and open. Chalo, I'll make you meet my dogs.
What is this? Under your leg, is it?
Yeah.
Come out, come out.
So, one second, the dogs have just got inside. Come here, come here. Hey. So this guy, wait. So this guy is Jack and that girl is Jill. Say hi. Say hi. So there you are. That's my dogs. And ये लोग यहाँ से भाग रहे हैं ये लोग. Because I also have cats. तो बिल्ली को देख देख के इन्होंने सीखा है कि बाहर भागना कैसे. अभी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ? Even they want to talk. Say hi. Isa, careful, potty.
Easy. Easy.
Stop screaming. Oh.
I really like the way how he's saying easy.
Where your shoe is?
6 बजे का अलार्म बज रहा है, which I never like really wake up to. But today I'm awake. So घर से निकलना is also a challenge. You see what Sarah is trying to do there. She's trying to get hold of her shoes, and please put the plank back, no? वरना ये लोग निकल जाएंगे बाहर, फिर हम लोग आएंगे, पता चलेगा ये लोग मस्त से बाहर घूम रहे हैं. The weather is beautiful. Dogs are already getting out. Do you think they won't get out?
No.
How's the weather, Sarah? Can you feel how cold it is? Okay, so what are we going to eat now? Idli sambar. Vade. It's not vada, it's vade. Chaya. So we actually have 2 cats and 2 dogs. One cat is missing because we got the dog in. Why is the cat missing, Sarah? She doesn't like dogs, so we'll try and find Mia. The name is Mia. So one pair of cats are called Mama Mia, and the pair of dogs are called Jack and Jill. Am I in the right lane or I'm in the right lane? Okay, then I won't find the cats here. There's no point looking for the cats. But I'm really looking forward to some idli, some sambar, chutney and coffee. छोटी-छोटी खुशियाँ बस बहुत जिंदगी के. Sorry. The other restaurant is आधा खुला आधा बंद. तो चेक करते हैं what time do they open. These guys usually know us, but look at this. They're still wiping. Why don't you go and ask them, Sarah? Go. हमारे यहाँ कॉफी वाला है उधर. एटलीस्ट चाय कॉफी मिल जाए तो इडली थोड़ी देर में खा लेंगे. You want tea? What comes after tea? Coffee. I was talking to you about letters. But yeah, let's see if Sarah, show them your face. Remove the mask, show them your face. Otherwise, they won't recognize you. And they'll. It's open. It's open. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಊರಲ್ಲಿರಲ್ಲ?
ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮನೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌದು. काफ़ी दिन के बाद I'll be enjoying my filter coffee at my regular spot. Too hot, but amazing. I love the coffee here. तो vlogging बाद में पहले coffee. Sarah, the most important question of the day is the idli ready?
I don't know, probably.
Isa is ready. Isa, ask if idli is ready. Isa is going to check out if the idli is ready. If the idli is ready, then we'll dive into the idli. वो ट्रैक्टर नहीं चला रहा है, Lamborghini चला रहा है वो. But did you know that Lamborghini actually was making tractors first? The guy had a Ferrari. He went to Ferrari and he said, you know what, it makes a lot of noise, and वो problems point out कर रहा था कि वो ठीक करे. And Ferrari had a big ego and he said, excuse me, you make tractors, stick to your business, we know our work. And today, because of that attitude, Lamborghini, it's debatable, but it's really much more bigger than Ferrari. Because Ferrari went through a bankruptcy and Fiat bought it.
Yeah.
Isha, idli. Huh? What?
He wants money.
You want money? We want Italy, dude, not money. He's confused. Okay, so if the Italy is ready, let's go get it. So quick trivia, if you're not from Bangalore, this is called dip. This is called separate. The Italy dip, yeah, Italy separate. This is separate, this is dip. And if you can eat your Italy with only 1 spoon and not with 2 spoons, zindagi safal hai aapki boss. Because we all eat with 2 spoons for some reason. I don't remember when was the last time I ate Italy. Sarah, do you remember the last time we ate Italy?
Not even a couple of 7 months ago.
7 months ago we ate Italy. After 7 months we are eating Italy again. Earlier we ate Italy
Every day.
every day. Every single freaking day we ate Italy. So our idea of getting crazy is getting a vada with Italy in the morning. So we are going crazy with the breakfast, but vada is not ready. So we can't go crazy with the breakfast. You know now what is worrying me? The kids. No, first the dogs. I hope the dogs are still inside. Then our...
It's okay. Now Saad is there.
Yeah. So Saad is there to take care of Abis. But Abis will still bring down the house, knowing what he's capable of. So when we were naming our 3rd boy, or the 5th boy technically, Sarah liked the name Abis, which meant what? The lucky one.
No, I didn't say that. You said that. And my name was Ed.
Okay. Ed means somebody who knows Quran by heart.
The holy reciter
The holy reciter
of the Quran.
of the Quran. And Abis means a spark of fire. क्या नाम रखा हमने? Abis. Spark of fire. वैसे ही है. हाँ baby.
I saw a dead bird.
So dead bird. Okay. The dogs are out. The dogs are out. Sarah, you're so tiny and you still threaten the dogs like this. You threaten human beings. What is wrong with you?
Sit down.
Oh, the big cat is here. So that's our neighbor's big cat, which is also Awara, like me and my other cat, which I'm not able to find. I hope if this cat is here. Today I've seen all the cats that keep coming home. You know, I think there are about 5 cats that come home. I've spotted 4 of them. I need to spot 1 more, which is our cat. If we spot her, I will hold her and lock her. Can't really lock her, but yeah, at least try and talk to her and apologizing that please baby come back. We love you and we miss you. And the good news is the kids are still sleeping. I hope they didn't get up and created a scene, but I'm glad. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I'm going to bring out vlogs every day at 9 p.m. Sorry. Every day at 9 a.m. This is a commitment that I'm making to myself and to you guys. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. See you. And आज पूरे दिन का वीडियो आप कल देखेंगे. Thank you. सब्सक्राइब करना भूलना मत. लाइक नहीं करोगे, कमेंट नहीं करोगे तो इंटरेक्शन कैसे होगा? The good thing is that the kids are still sleeping. So there's one boy there, there's another boy there.